Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Mangoes are called the king of fruits. Hello kids. Do you like mango? So let's start. At first, we draw the cutting part. Next, we start the drawing with curve. We draw the leaves. Of the mango, mangoes are a popular tropical fruit, known for their sweet and juicy flesh, and are widely enjoyed, especially during summer. Mangoes come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, with ripe mangoes typically displaying shades of yellow, green, or red. They are rich in vitamins and minerals, providing nutritional benefits alongside their delicious taste. Red color. Mangoes can be consumed fresh, used in various dishes like juices and shakes, or preserved as jams or pickles. Mango is the national fruit of India, and it is one of the most favorite fruits. Mango is a tropical fruit, that is, it grows well in the warm climate of the tropics. Mostly mangoes are oval, and the color of mango skin varies from green, yellow to red and green. A mango has one big seed, and the mango seed is an edible. Mango is termed as the king of all fruits, and we all love having mangoes. The mango tree grows in the hot and humid climate of the world. This tree is very tall in size and leaves are in colors of yellow-green, copper color, or purple. When advanced, the leafage attains a structure that is leather-like, shady or dark green in color, and silky. Green color. Green color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.